This could be ruining your life, and you don't even know it. Most people believe you need millions to own real estate, so they watch their savings lose value while the wealthy quietly multiply their wealth. The rich don't buy entire properties. Instead, they own small fractions, shares of high-value real estate. This strategy lets them collect rental income and benefit from property appreciation without huge upfront costs or risks. You've been locked out, watching prices soar, thinking real estate is only for the wealthy. Fractional real estate shatters that barrier. It lets you buy shares, earn income, and grow wealth just like the rich, but without owning everything. Fractional real estate means owning a piece of a property, not the whole thing. It's the secret the wealthy use to spread risk and multiply their assets quietly and effectively. The wealthy don't wait. They act smart. Now it's your turn. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.